I made this video for greetings and greetings only to show you how to use Clicky, hashtag not sponsored, and I wonder if it will be, and also to show off my drawing and to show off what that drawing is of. So, Clicky, it's a drawing website. That should be pretty obvious by now. And it is my drawing, of course. It is a drawing of the blue RB battle swords. If you play Roblox, or you would have, if you have anything to do with Roblox, then you would know what this is. It is the sword of Russo, the sword that I actually have on my back. But yeah, I will be showing you how to use Clicky. I already made this video one time, and it somehow got deleted, so I might not be as optimistic as I was in that video. But yeah, these are this is how to zoom in and to zoom out. You can literally zoom in on anything. But also you could just scroll on your mouse. That I think is easier. This is to redo. Oh, what? Yeah, that's to unerase something. Yeah. And this is how to pick your color. You can go draw these different shades of blue if you're like me and is really into blue, or you could go on the shades of red, yellow, green, of course blue, dark blue, purple, hot pink, red, and red. Yeah, you can go through like all of the colors of the rainbow. And if you're like, but there's not any black. Well, guess what? There was a black on literally every shade. You could just go to like, you could literally go to like yellow. Because I'm pretty sure that's like the brightest color, and there's still a shade of black on there. So don't go thinking that there's no black. There is a blending option. I don't know why you would want to blend your work, but I'm not the judge of that. And there was, please. Oh yeah, this is sketch. You can sketch some stuff. And this is of course pixels. If you want to do pixel. But the thing about pixels, if you want to make really big pixels, just go upon the size scale. Yeah, there's a size scale. And now, like, oh yeah, layers. You can make different layers. You can name them. You can blend them. So if you make enough layers, I guess you could animate something. I think. Yeah, this is where you edit stuff. I'm not gonna say off these, so just look at them. There. Okay. And files. This button is the save button, that's right here. That's how you save your drawings. This is to import a image to, I really don't know. And this is to get a new image. And I don't know what this does. So you will have to test it out on your own. So now to show off what the sword actually is. This some when it loads up here. So sword of truth. It is blue, my favorite color, and it has question marks. So it should be so sword of mystery, and has these little dots around it. So yeah, it should be so sword of mystery. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. But yeah, that is how to draw with Clicky, and showing off my drawing, and showing what the drawing is of. So yeah, that was a video. And yeah, that's that.